FloPlast's fast-fitting rainwater clip system with a pre-fitted seal is easy to install, even for a complete novice, and it's compatible with most metal and plastic systems. Installation is easy. Fit the gutter end bracket just below the top of the fascia using two 25mm by 5mm round-head brass or zinc screws. Position the gutter outlet where the downpipe will be located, ensuring it's lower than the end bracket. Attach a piece of string between the outlet and end bracket as a position guide for the other support brackets. Using a spirit level against the string, ensure there's a fall towards the outlet. Using two 25mm by 5mm round-head brass or zinc screws, attach supporting fascia brackets evenly between the end bracket and the position of the gutter outlet or union piece if used for longer spans. Ensure brackets are positioned at a maximum of 800mm apart. Fit the first piece of guttering using the back to front rule. If required, fit a stop end supported by a bracket within 150mm of the stop end. For additional lengths of guttering, fit a union bracket and use a silicone lubricant for easy fitting. Ensure all pipework is cut and fitted to the indicated expansion line. To fit the downpipe, drop a plumb line from the top of the outlet to correctly align the downpipe clips. Fit uppermost length of downpipe first, securing brackets with two 32mm by 6.5mm round-head brass or zinc screws. If angles or offset bends are used, then secure with brackets within 150mm of the fitting. For additional lengths of downpipe, use a socket and pipe clip. Finally, fit a shoe at the end of the downpipe. To stop the buildup of leaves, fit gutter and outlet guards. For more product info, visit www.floplast.co.uk.